Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh pays tribute to Jan Neta Hijam Irabor, says he was a social reformer. People recall the life and contributions of Jan Neta Hijam Irabor on his 120th birth anniversary. And two regional parties floated on the same day today ahead of the 11th Assembly elections in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh today joined the people in paying tribute to Jan Neta Hijam Irabor on his 120th birth anniversary at the celebration held at MDU Hall, Yale School Police Lane, describing the late leader as a social activist, political activist and social reformer. Okram Iwobi Singh said the untimely death of the Jan Neta was a big loss for the people of the state. He stated that the people not only Manipur but other neighbouring states are gradually realising the contributions made by the leader a century ago. Chief Minister said the commemoration of the day will be more meaningful when the present generation strive to realise his dreams. The celebration was organised by Jan Neta Hijam Irabor Birth Celebration Committee.
Aikoi khudingmak ngasi aikoina khanan nainaba magi chahi samaga kun suba mapok namit asida aikoi punamakna neta asina pamjaramba mayam punamak singsidi aikoi mioiba samaj daida yamna nungsinana chanana adu aikoi gi samaj daida khetnaba haibado madu leitana aikoi chana chinana nungsinana ba haidana mana hotna jaramba mayam sing adu aikoi thabak oina onthoknana ba Honorable Laikhidraba Neta Sina Mana Pamjaba Waigani Haibasi Asobatai Jabani.
People in Manipur today recall the life and contributions of Jan Neta Hijam Irabor on his 120th birth anniversary. The day was widely celebrated in the state and people paid tributes to the leader who strived for a better social change in Manipur. CPI Manipur State Council State Secretary Dr. M. Nara appealed to people to shed differences of hills and valley, language and culture for unity and peaceful coexistence. Speaking at the 120th birth anniversary of Jan Neta Hijam Irabor at Iboyaima Sumanglila Sanglane today, he stressed the need to build unity through peaceful existence and by having an egalitarian society. A march past competition was also held in which 50 contingents took part.
Ching amasung tam lol jati dharma khenaba kaya lejaragasu punna nungsi chana na hingminana leiba punna thongmanan chakhot minaba magi phangbam thokpa chakthung phanganba michang mikhai naidaba senja thumja leitaba jati man jati mu banthana udaba adugumba samaj amagi saktam adu sagat minanaba magi sahi chama kungi palon sigi manungda anauba wakhalon matang poksi Maduda Tabak and Ontopungamnaba, Hona Minesi Haibo Kalese, Nasigi Palon Sigi message ni.
Home Minister of Tripura Maninder Riyang and State Secretary of CPI Tripura State Committee Ranjit Majumdar also took part in the observance. Speaking on the occasion, Maninder Riyang said former Chief Minister of Tripura Dashrath Dev Burman pressed the central government for inclusion of the Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution while he was an MP in 1953. He further said two Manipuris were among the 45 left party candidates who were elected in the recent Tripura Municipal Corporation election. A statue of Hijam Irabor was also unveiled today at Khwai Taung in Tripura, which is 55 kilometers from Agartala.
Today, at this moment, I would like to form this well-developed statue of the Jan Neta Irabor has been just and will invite the circumstance pathology. Mayor at the Agartala Municipal Agartala Corporation, Khwai Taung of the Tripura, about the 55 kilometers from the Agartala.
The day was also held at Library Complex of Manipur University. Teachers and students of the university offered floral tribute and salute the statue of the Jan Neta Hijam Irabor. The birth anniversary was also celebrated at Thau Ground, Thangmaiban by Socialist Students Union Manipur and Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union. Students took out march past and offered tribute to the leader. The 120th birth anniversary of Janneta Hijam Iraport was observed at LMS Law College, organized by Joint Students Coordination Committee. State-level patriotic song competition on the theme Ima Leibak Nungsibi Oisi was held as part of the observance. Altogether, 20 participants took part in the song competition. The day was also celebrated at Rup Bahal Theatre on BT Road. The event was organized by Lamyanba Iraport Ningsing Thauram Observation Committee, Lintok, under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur, PPCM. Speakers at the commemoration recalled the visionary leader and his ideologies. Senior citizen Professor Arambam Lokendro, PPCM convener Dr. Y. Mani Khuman, and Lintok convener L. Dhana Luang, among others, attended the event. The day was in the border town of Moray in Channel District. The function was organized by Meitei Council Moray, All Community Development Organization Moray, Khanongpok Apunba Nupi Lup Moray, and Nupi Khunai Chaukat Lamjing Lup Moray. Attendees paid for all tributes to the statue of Janneta. Kokpal Chadam Laikai or Development Organization also celebrated a day at Pukchaupat Community Hall. The club extended financial help to elderly persons of the locality who are below the poverty line, while meritorious students of class 10 and 12 were also presented with gifts. Organization President Thangjam Keshorjit appealed not to cut the optical fiber cable wire extension of Impact TV in the area.
Media haibasidi media sina khoi mayang biloi no mit na kong oina riba asida mafam asigi jaga sina koliba jaga asida yamna toina khoi gi main line Impact TV ki lokthok piba huram biba na singba asi khoi gi masigumba yamna sai gi lebang macha taminasi haibasi tamjage karigumba matungda tawbiba taragadi club na madugi thengnaba taragadi madu khena khudong cha daba oirakpa yai haibasin basu tamjage.
Third Integrated Literary Meet cum Patriotic Recitation Competition was held at Kebol High School, Tera, in connection with the 120th birth anniversary of Hijam Iraport. The Meet cum competition was organized by Handicap Development Foundation, Manipur. Post-matric scholarships for differently able students were also distributed on the occasion. The 120th birth anniversary of Hijam Iraport was also observed at Sapam Laikai Community Hall in Thawal District by Kendra Development Committee, Wangjing Tentha Constituency. Pensions for 925 persons above 70 years of age were also distributed as part of the commemoration. The 5-day social service camp conducted by League of Callow Patriots, Wangkhai Ningthem Pukrimapal, in connection with the 120th birth anniversary of Hijam Iraport concluded today. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of the leader. Yaskul MLA Ilangbam Chan, LCP President Dr. L. Thoithoi, and IPR Director Meghachandra Kongbam were among those who attended the function. Youth's Enlightenment Organization also celebrated a day at Wangoi Longjam Laikai Community Hall. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of the leader. The day was also observed at Ngakhoing Sipai, UTSO Community Hall and Kha Poksambam Community Hall in Bishnupur District. A blood donation camp was also held at Ningthokhong Community Hall. Lisang Hiden Development Committee also celebrated the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Iraport and Angom Ibungo Hal Mani at Kiamgai Pal Ahanbi. People offered flowers at the memorial of Lamyanba Iraport and Angom Ibungo Halmani Information Center for Hill Area Manipur Icham President N. Rajendra urged the people to attempt to realize the dreams of Iraport. He said Iraport tried to strengthen the bond between the hills and the valley and expressed concern at the prevailing situation in Manipur. It may be mentioned that Angom Ibungo Halmani, who shared the same birthday with Hijam Iraport, also worked for the welfare of the people.
जाति खुदिंगमक्ता खेनबा लैतबा महांग ट्राइबेलनी महांग मुस्लिमनी पांगलनी महांग मैथैनी हाबगी तोंगान तोंगान उबा ngamdaba achang thokpa luchingba ma ngasi akoi mathau tarabra na khale asidi मैथै हाना मा खाइदोरे कुकी हाना मा लाखरे नागा हाइदना अमा मु थोलखरे पुन्नु याद्रे ने हम कोई मैथै पांगन गजु पुन्मदा वाखल सिदा नुंगाइबा फाउनरक्रे मसी सही सामगी ममांगदा आइगी लाइव खरबाइगी ओजासिना उबिरमे महांग होनरमी बेलंबी दे कोई अमुक खाना बकत नतना कोई खोंग थांगन मथौ ताई कई तौब ताई आइगी मांगन तकी असोइब खरदी कोई खंदर कांदे कोई सुमथोनबे कोई होनमिन सेबो
BJP State Executive Member K.H. Ibomcha expressed dissatisfaction at the negligence of government even after repeated requests to repair the IVR and bridges in Lamlai. K.H. Ibomcha, along with the locals, repaired the 5-kilometer stretch road from Nongada to Chinungkhok in connection with birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot. He said it is very unfortunate that the IVR roads in the constituency are in deplorable condition, even though the MLA of the constituency is a minister. The 120th birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot was also observed at Manipur Sahitya Parisad, Pauna Bazar. Professor L. Sadananda and Dr. Thokchom Ibo Hanbi talked in length about the life and activities of Hijam Irabot. Yambem Tombi also read out poems of Hijam Irabot. Diamond Club Wanghai Ayangpali also observed the 120th Irabot Day. Recitation, painting and essay competition highlighted the celebration. Lizard Library Women's Wing also celebrated the day at Lizard Community Hall, Wanghai Mehubam Lampak. KSA Modern College also conducted a social service camp in and around the college in connection with the 120th birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot. 120 students took part in the camp. First Hengang Kendra debating competition was held on occasion of the 120th birth anniversary of Jan Neta Hijam Irabot at Achan Bigay Community Hall. Kontha Youth and Students Development Organization held a debating competition on the topic. Non-implementation of the inner line permit system in Manipur is due to failure of state government. Nation's People organized one-day legal awareness program under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority at YCB Complex, Brahmapur in connection with Irabot Day celebration. BJP Legislature Wing Leader MLA Khumukjam Joy Kishan has lambasted the ruling Congress government for expressing grave concern for the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at BJP office today, he expressed surprise at the Congress becoming quite vocal on integrity, sensing that the territorial integrity of the state is being threatened. He alleged that it was the Congress who gave away Cabo Valley to Myanmar, while BJP government gave a befitting reply to terrorists in Kashmir. He challenged any Congress member to deny that Cabo Valley was not given away by the Congress and went on to add that he will congratulate for it. The proposed BJP rally scheduled for tomorrow has been postponed as Speaker has taken some work on the disqualification of 5 MLAs. He further warned to take further course of action if the Speaker failed to take action by October 3.
Manipur masa khudimangna Myanmar da tumu da chatpada Cabo Valley of the Mittaki Pirang Shintaba, Aikoi Kudimakna, Nungaitaba, Pokchaba, Ayu Ojerba Lamdam Mayamam Miram, Oigreke Habido, Masikanagi, Kudol, India Parliament Congress, Hujuk Manipur Parliament Congress Party Sigi, Masi Kudol Miam the Poo. Ki Badaki, Makoi Raznitigi, Kudong Chamba Kara Lona Bugitamakta, India. Macet Yontokraba, Manipur Macet Yontokraba, Asumo Party Sidaki, section B. Haidana, Bipam Pudimokta Tamzeri. Congress ki Lusing Bamana, Mashi Akoinam, Pitoba Nate, Haimna, Amta Shingdopiros in the Pijagishi.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMZU will organize a social service camp in Imphal City along with Police Department. The social service, which will begin at 5:30 a.m., will cover areas from Kaisampa Junction to Kanglapat PWD office. Speaking to media persons, AMZU President Wanghimcha Samjai said the social service program is organized with an aim to keep Imphal City neat and clean and to strengthen the relationship between AMZU and Police Department. He appealed to the members of AMZU to come on time and take part in the social service program.
Imphal Shahar si akhoi gi lu na thambada achoba mateng ama thawang yauri Manipur Police Department ga amju ga kusam na rakanda ai October gi tangwal gi pung manga dakina pung mapan phawga Imphal Shahar da akhoi sit sengbagi akhoi gi tham phudu ma achani ga dori kon Manipur King Journalist Union gi nusi jara akhoi gi tongan ba print and media gi house le bi bi singi akhoi member akhoi sami ga marfumu le bi sing se ajan masi thopi rakanda Manipur Police ga amju kusam da ga social service ta udar besida akhoi charu ga bi haina hajari.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6th October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Radigo with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak anigal singni punipan piba car asigi feature singdi ground clearance 185 mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro gari asi ngasi mak showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak lengsin birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Two different regional parties were floated on the same day today in Manipur ahead of the 11th Assembly elections to be held in the early parts of 2017. Former Congress Minister and Thongju MLA Bijoy Koijam and former primary member of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee CH Priyakumar floated a new political party called Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF. CH Priyakumar and Bijoy Koijam are the president and senior vice president of the political party. For the first time, the members of the party met the media persons at Classic Hotel. Senior Vice President Bijoy Koijam told the media persons that politics is not the only concern for the new political party. He said Manipur has witnessed several regional parties, but there has been a progressive decline in sense of regionalism. Bijoy Koijam said if the front becomes a part of the next government, it will focus on the boundary, ILP and ST issues. He also said the party will urge the centre and the state government to complete the incomplete projects in the state. Vice President of the Front and former Secretary General of JDU Manipur Unit, Lian Gangte said national parties will not pay much attention to the issue of the state. He said the ECI has approved the declaration of the Front as a political party on the 8th of this month.
Muri asi lugis polisi ni ek isni haidana yamna sauba nung pokthong hangbani hadana Bharat Sarkar nasu yarba Manipur nasu dum yarba praja nasu nim pamiba jaga asida Manipur gi minister mari leneba minister mani aduga minister makokna nomatang salaga yengda bhaiba se mase khoi laibuk thibani lowe inak to leiba anakpa project kaya se concern minister sing si minister yauna hanjan yenga phobda losenba ngamdakanda nomatasu minister amana concern minister na natraga chief minister na salaga yengsenda bhaiba se masi karam haina thuru lobe ngogdagi sine.
Another new political party called Miyamgi Thogaloi Manipur was also floated at a press meet held at MSRTC complex Moirangkhom. Convener of the new party, Joyraj Chungkham, who is also the convener of the ex-servicemen cell, told the media persons that all the required documents will be sent to Election Commission of India within a week. Talking about the floating of the new party, he said the party is formed as both the regional and national party failed to understand the pulse of the people. He added that the need for a new political party arose as the political parties in the state failed to address various issues facing the state and growing culture of dependence on the central government. He maintained that the party will field 10 candidates both in the valley and hills in the forthcoming assembly elections. Joyraj also expressed confidence that all the candidates will win the election.
अखोई खोलावसी तहनगे हाइब तारगदी अखोई गोइबा रीजनल पार्टी की दका ले मरमदी नेशनल पार्टी सिंगना अखोई की लोकल इशू सिंगसी मोइगी नेशनल इंटरेस्ट ना इक्लिप्स तौसलगा तानिंग दबा एड्रेस तोनिंग दबा मोंग से अखोई प्रजा सिंगना सुदुम उदुना लेरे अदुदे अखोई की लाइक माइंडेड candidates youths mayam because our future lies in the youths participation of youth katene khoi gi se tholakado candidate su youth ngakane akhoi na kholau punna laurga karigidam ta taro do bino why can't we build up a political power to bargain our rights asigi wakalon da koi thoksar.
Persons who intend to contest the upcoming assembly polls on BJP ticket in Hengang today met the media persons. BJP Hengang Mandal organized a press meet at Manipur Press Club. Vice President BJP Manipur Pradesh Imphal East and aspiring candidate Paunam Sundar said all the aspiring candidates will support the candidate the party chooses to fill in the assembly election. BJP Manipur Pradesh Executive Member Y. Mangi T.H. Romeo and Convener of Development of Publicity and Literature BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Roshni Kumar also attended the press meet. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Secretary Onam Malik stated that there has been malpractice in the distribution of rice for Nauria Pakhanglakpa under the National Food Security Act. Speaking to the media persons, he said rice for only 2 months has been distributed to beneficiaries without NFSA cards while the act was implemented 6 months ago in Manipur.
Food security high basiki guideline da piribadi MLA si yaw sunya yadaba mamdi masida pirisi DC na chairman oigadawani adagi akhoi jira parisak pradhan amadi member na hari basina member oiraga hari basingsi phajana thigalaba matungda tawgodobo pose amata tawdaba madu members singna mamangda thagatsabani thagali posi khoigi leiriba MLA sina khoigi mapha marang khangandaba maduna ngasi doubling mayam ama chasale aduna pihum thokpa pot masai phajagraba scheme se khoigi lamdam machida salak sahanba bamen tahandaba se akhoigi site gi lemna toksero.
Spastic Society of Manipur will organize an election campaign with an aim to make disabled persons take part in the upcoming general election. As part of the campaign theme towards an accessible and inclusive election in Manipur, stakeholders, DCs and SDOs of different districts, local clubs and civil organizations will hold discussions on the role of disabled persons in the election. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Spastic Society of Manipur, General Secretary Laisham Riki welcomed the Supreme Court's decision to provide necessary facilities for the disabled persons to take part in the election process. The campaign will also be held in hill districts along with the disability organizations in the area. Angamba Disabled People Organization, Senapati Disabled People Association Manipur, Handicapped People Front Tamenlong, All Manipur Handicapped Persons Welfare Association and Disabled Welfare Organization attended the press meet.
Bosi lakringai sida akhona prepare tawjaraga kanana wheelchair darkar lei kanana braille darkar lei ko adagi even mentally ill singsi anambana board keno tawde akhoi mental ill population ji yamna wangi adu makoi bu board tawdringai sida training gumba ma piba darkar lei adugi training do piba mentally retarded keno sing akhoi gi intellectual disabilities hai tare yam severe na taba akhoi gi mild moderate borderline lei busing si su akhoi gi sugumba training sing je khara piragati makoi gi right se exercise to mangam.
Family members of Sapam Robin Hood who died in the agitation demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state on 8th August last year offered Langbam Tarpan at his memorial at Awaching today. Father of Robin Hood, Sapam Romesh, expressed disappointment and unhappiness at the lack of people's participation. People are facing inconveniences due to deplorable condition of road at Iroikom, Lokol adjoining Tekcham and Tenthakul in Wangjing Tentha. Social Advancement Youth Association Tekcham in a press release said the people are worried that vehicles will not be able to pass the road during harvest season and urged the authority to look into the problem. Sahitya Thopang Loop, Sathau Loop today organized International Translation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Professor M. Mani Maitei was presented with Sarda Translation Award at the event. Poems translated by M. Mani Maitei were also read out. PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu, Revenue and Works Commissioner K. Radhakumar, Sahitya Academy awardee E. Dinamani and several renowned writers of Manipur participated in the event. Now the sports news. The 20th State Level Judo Championship kicked off from today at Kumalampak Indoor Stadium. The championship is organized by Manipur Judo Association. Girls and boys judo players from Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Senapati and Bishnupur districts are participating in the championship. 101 male and 62 female judokas are competing in sub-junior, junior and senior boys and girls in different weight categories. Manipur Olympic Association General Secretary Sunil Elangbam, Manipur Judo Association Vice President S. Chauba, different officials of various districts, among others, attended the inauguration.
Sports study, barrier, sambal tournament, ching tournament Kasim Goya tournament skill, performance world competition
FC Zalin Sadar Hills beat Trau Cockathail by a solitary goal in the 17th league match of the ongoing 11th Manipur State League today. The two teams played for remaining 53 minutes today at Mapal Kangzeibung, which was postponed due to rain. Thangtilian Hokip of FC Zalin netted a lone goal in the 94 minutes to claim victory over Trau. Nako Nambul Mapal and Neruka FC Sangakpham, while Nisa Thangwaiban and Klasa Kaino will meet in the first and second league matches tomorrow. Singzamay Kendra Kangkhut entered the semi-finals of the 5th Mangsa Tabam Iboyama and Punyabati Memorial League Cum Knockout Kang Tournament. Singzamay Kendra entered the semi-finals, beating Nambol Kendra Kangkhut 14-9 in the quarter-final play today. Oinam Kendra Kangkhut and Kaisamthong Kendra Kangkhut will lock horn in the second quarter-final match tomorrow. In a match of Sri Sri Gopal Dev League Cum Knockout Kang Tournament, CRC Kangkhut Khungdrapum Trons IWKK Kangkhut Uchikon 30-16. 9 Kangkhuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Gopal Dev Kangkhut Yai School at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Mandop Yai School. Before we end this bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh pays tribute to Jan Neta Hijam Irabot, says he was a social reformer. People recall the life and contributions of Jan Neta Hijam Irabot on his 120th birth anniversary. And 2 regional parties floated on the same day today, ahead of the 11th Assembly elections in the state.